Daad community. Yesterday we discussed how can blockchain revolutionize the e-commerce. And today I am discussing the future of blockchain technologies in the e-commerce industry that faces some challenges such as the technical, regulatory and social issues. According to the sources, the future of blockchain technologies in e-commerce industry may include live stream commerce. This is the form of social commerce that involves live video streaming of product demonstrations, reviews, or tutorials by influencers, celebrities, or brand representatives. Blockchain can enable the live stream commerce by providing secure and transparent payment methods, verifying the authenticity and quality of products, and rewarding the viewers and hosts with cryptocurrencies or tokens. Tokenization of assets. This is the process of converting the physical or digital assets into digital tokens that can be stored, transferred, or traded on a blockchain. Blockchain can enable tokenization of assets by providing a standardized and interoperable way of representing and exchanging value, reducing intermediaries and fees, and increasing the liquidity and accessibility. Decentralized marketplace. These are peer-to-peer e-commerce platforms that operate on a blockchain network. Blockchain can enable decentralized marketplaces by providing a trustless and censorship-resistant way of buying and selling products or services, eliminating the need for centralized platforms or intermediaries, and empowering the users with more control and ownership. Digital identity and reputation. These are the online representations of a person or an entity that can be verified and authenticated on a blockchain. Blockchain can enable digital identity and reputation by providing a secure and privacy-preserving way of storing and sharing the personal or business information, enabling seamless and frictionless transactions, and enhancing the trust and accountability. These are some of the possible ways that blockchain technologies can shape the future of commerce industry, as they can help e-commerce businesses and customers to benefit from more secure, efficient and transparent online shopping experiences. Thanks for watching. If you are new, please subscribe and share Daad Academy, an e-commerce mastery channel, and ask questions in the comment section. In the next video, we will discuss pros and cons of using blockchain in e-commerce.